A swimming club can currently accommodate up to 100 members for a year-long training program. They plan to increase their pool capacity to accommodate up to an additional 75 members into a program every year. To make a profit, the club must have at least 50 members enrolled in the program. The club manager expects a minimum membership requirement for making a profit to increase 20% per year. The manager modeled the situation with a system of inequalities where X is the time from today in years and Y is the number of members. She has graphed the system and to show the solution region where the club is going to make a profit. So the overlap is where they're going to make a profit right here. All right. So it says, which system of inequalities did she graph? So there's a linear function and there's an exponential function. Now the linear function, it says that she's supposed, well, let me do a different color. So she's supposed to do 100 members for a year-long training program. Their plan is to increase the capacity by 70 members per year. All right. So then, I never changed the color. Oh, let me do this. So 100 members, right? They're going to try to accommodate up to 100 members and then increase 75 per year. So Y, and I don't know what symbol to put in there, but it's going to be 75 per year, right? Because X is the time from today in years, plus they currently accommodate 100 members. So now the value would be less than. Now, that's the orange graph, right? So that's this orange graph right here, okay? The next one is, and I did the less than because it was shaded below the line, but more importantly, like it would never be more than that because their expectation is 75. I mean, it could be, but we're trying to be realistic, right? If their goal is 75, they might reach it, but they might not. So the probability would be they might fall short a little bit from year to year. So it could be less than. So then for the next one, it says to make a profit, there must be at least 50 members enrolled in the program. Okay, and they plan to increase by a rate of 20 per year. So I got to think about what I'm going to put in there, but it's going to be 50 members per year. This is the initial condition. Oh, wait, to make a profit, they must have at least 50. And then they increase by 20%. So you have to include the original 50 plus the 20. And that's per year. And when it says at least, that means we're going to look, that's the bottom, the lowest amount. So we want that to be greater than. Okay. Now I know that because that's I used the wrong color marker, but that's this one and it's shaded above. But when you just think about it out loud, it says at least. Well, this is the bare minimum, so everything else will be above that. So this is the system of inequalities that's actually on the graph.